Good morning, everybody. This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden. Today's Saturday spotlight is going to be the Pink Velour Crepe Myrtle. Check this out. Pink Velour. You can see why it's called a Pink Velour. That pink is so deep, so rich. It's absolutely beautiful. It is blooming. Pink flowers with little yellow centers. Look at all these clusters. Here's another cluster that's about to open. Pink Velour Crepe Myrtle. It is it blooms from late spring to fall with deep wine red, foliage in the spring that turns rust in the fall. It is a multi-shrimmed crepe myrtle. You can enjoy it as a small tree or shrub. I plan on limbing it up and using it as a small tree. I think it would be perfect right here as a small tree. But look at those flowers. That's what it's all about. Those pink flowers that look like pink velour. Multi-shrimmed crepe myrtle, small tree or a shrub. It's highly resistant to mildew and drought tolerant, which is perfect for me here in Houston, Texas, in Zone 9B. We often hit drought around August, despite being very humid. I have other crepe myrtles that have mold issues, and this one does not have that mold issue. Yeah, it's a perfect little plant. It grows like 8 to 10 feet tall. Like I said, I plan on limbing it up, so it's going to be a great little specimen plant, little tree. Tall shrub, small tree. Requires medium water, of course, during drought. My opinion is nothing is totally water free. Everything at some point needs water, so there is that. Look at that Pink Velour Crepe Myrtle. Absolutely beautiful. Full sun, and it will get full sun. So if you are in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas, and you're looking for a small tree for a small garden or a small shrub for a small garden, if you're in a very hot, sunny climate that often has, or that sometimes has drought issues, this is the plant for you. Pink Velour Crepe Myrtle. This is, let me show you. Look at that. I picked this up at Home Depot. So there we go. Thanks for watching. That was a Saturday Spotlight.